Corsair One i600 Review, Tiny Beast or Overpriced Gaming Showpiece. Frustrated with PCs that overheat, throttle, or choke mid-game? Hours wasted troubleshooting lag, patchy frames, and noisy fans while your creativity stalls. You want ultra-smooth gameplay and content creation without battling messy wiring, custom cooling headaches, or huge tower setups. The struggle drains your focus, leaving stress and frustration mounting instead of dominating the battlefield or finishing that render. Deadlines loom, streams freeze, and high-end software hiccups test your patience. Each moment spent fighting hardware issues feels like wasted opportunity. Frames dropped, edits delayed, and gaming sessions ruined. Your workspace is cluttered, noise levels distracting, and performance uncertain. The stress builds relentlessly, threatening burnout while you scramble for a PC that truly delivers uncompromised power in a compact, elegant package. Meet the Corsair One i600, a compact powerhouse redefining small form factor PCs. Its Intel Core Ultra 9 285K CPU with 24 cores delivers blazing 3.7 to 5.7 GHz performance, handling gaming, streaming, and multi-threaded tasks effortlessly. The liquid-cooled NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU dominates 4K gaming, AI rendering, and GPU-intensive workloads with whisper-quiet efficiency. Equipped with 64 GB DDR5 Vengeance RAM and 2+2 TB M.2 SSDs, loading times vanish, and multitasking feels seamless. Dual 240mm liquid coolers plus a tri-spoke vented case optimize thermal performance, monitored via Corsair One dashboard software. Imagine finishing an 8K video render while live-streaming Cyberpunk 2077 at ultra settings. No throttling, no compromise. Available in metal dark or wood dark finishes, this PC blends aesthetic elegance with raw power. Comprehensive USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, DisplayPort, Wi-Fi 7, and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports cover all connectivity needs. Every component is carefully integrated, offering upgrade options for memory, storage, or future GPU models. The Corsair One i600 isn't just a PC. It's a complete high-performance studio in a sleek, minimal footprint. The Corsair One i600 transforms work and play. Tech influencers call it an engineering marvel, highlighting the feat of fitting an Ultra 9 CPU and RTX 5080 GPU into a compact, liquid-cooled chassis. A hardware analyst noted, "It delivers a seamless, integrated experience that eliminates DIY guesswork." Professional video editors rave about handling 8K renders and large-scale projects silently, while gamers on forums report buttery smooth 4K performance at max settings. Streamers praise its clean vertical design, freeing desk space and creating a visually striking setup for live broadcasts. Critics mention the premium price and limited upgrade path, but every user agrees. Power density and thermal efficiency are unmatched. Many stories abound. One content creator described rendering a complex animation while running multiple browser tabs and gaming, all without a hint of fan noise or thermal throttling. The dual 240mm liquid coolers, Corsair One dashboard fine-tuning, 64 GB DDR5 memory, and 4 TB ultra-fast SSD storage combine to offer next-level performance, effortless multitasking, and reliability that inspires confidence. Whether gaming, streaming, editing, or multitasking, the i600 consistently delivers the smoothest, most efficient workflow in a compact, premium package. Limited stock alert. The Corsair One i600 is coveted worldwide by gamers, streamers, and creators seeking maximum power in minimum space. Don't wait. Join thousands already enjoying whisper-quiet 4K gaming, seamless content creation, and professional-grade performance in a sleek chassis. Upgrade your desk, free your workflow, and dominate every task without compromise. Act now. Premium performance, elegant design, and hassle-free, high-end gaming won't wait. Secure your Corsair One i600 today and experience the ultimate small form factor powerhouse before it's gone.